Have you ever dreamt a wonderful dream was exactly where I was?
We made love. There was an insanity to it because, you see, a lot of people appreciate, well, you were friends, but that had also negative stuff around it. This was my friend. I was doing something against everything that I had ever been brought to think of. But certainly there was no thought of pulling in the reins for myself.
Singing in the rain.
No, it's not raining.
Just
Fred Astaire and Ginger
singing
Rogers.
in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy.